If you've ever wondered how to automate client email responses effectively, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into SuiteDash, a platform that offers robust automation features to streamline your communication process, saving you time and making your client management much easier. Stick with me because at the end of this video, I'll share some of the best alternatives to SuiteDash for automating client emails that might suit your needs even better. First, let's talk about why automation is such a game changer. In today's fast-paced world, keeping up with client inquiries manually can be overwhelming, especially if you're running a busy business. With SuiteDash, automating your email responses means you can focus on the big picture, knowing your clients will receive timely and personalized communication every time. But is SuiteDash really the best choice for everyone? Let's break down how it works. The first thing you'll notice when setting up email automation in SuiteDash is its easy-to-use workflow builder. This drag-and-drop interface allows you to set up automatic email responses for almost any scenario. Whether it's a new lead, a follow-up, or even a special notification, SuiteDash's workflow makes it simple to create rules for when emails should go out. But here's the catch, it's not as intuitive as some might hope. Some users find the learning curve a little steep when getting started. Next, SuiteDash allows you to set up automatic replies based on triggers. For example, if a client fills out a contact form or makes a payment, SuiteDash can automatically send them a thank you message or a confirmation email. It's a great feature that ensures you never miss a beat. However, there are limitations when it comes to customizing these responses. While the automation is functional, it doesn't offer the flexibility that some of the competition can provide in terms of personalized content. The third thing to keep in mind is SuiteDash's CRM integration. The platform syncs well with your contacts, allowing for segmented email responses based on different client categories. This is ideal if you manage a variety of clients and need to tailor your messaging. However, the CRM itself isn't as comprehensive as other specialized tools. Some users report that it's a bit clunky when managing larger lists or trying to use it for complex client data. The fourth thing worth mentioning is SuiteDash's email tracking capabilities. You can easily track whether emails were opened, clicked, or bounced, which is great for seeing how effective your automated responses are. But while this feature is useful, it lacks some of the advanced analytics that you might find with other tools on the market, like in-depth A/B testing or conversion tracking. Finally, let's talk about pricing. SuiteDash offers a solid set of features at a competitive price point, but it can get pricey if you need additional features like higher email sending limits or advanced integrations. For some businesses, this might be a barrier, especially when you consider alternatives that offer similar automation features at a lower cost. No, don't go just yet. I've got something special for you. If SuiteDash doesn't feel like the perfect fit for automating your client email responses, don't worry. I've also included some amazing alternatives that might be better suited to your needs, especially when it comes to automation flexibility. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you're ready to take your client email responses to the next level with the best tools available, check out the links below and get started today.